Yo, what's up my people? Welcome back to this channel. This is Footies. We know what we do on here. If you are just viewing for the first time, please do it to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share the video as well. It's been a busy week for me though, so I just had to come up with something short and quick for us to something we can catch up with for the week. So today we are making a boot sole. I'm taking you to the process of how to make a boot sole. So let's get down to business. Okay, so on here we have what we call our weightless. This is the weightless. I know you've been wondering how do we come across. Presently boot sole is not really much in market, so this is the alternative we use. Or even if you have a bigger size of a shoe, maybe size 48, 47, excuse me, 48, 47, and you are unable to get the size and you are making use of boot sole, this is what we use instead. This is a weightless. So after buying from the market, we then file. As you can see, we file the necessary, we file the surface. So after filing the surface, we added gum to it. We also added gum to our wet as well. After adding gum to the weightless, this is our wet, we added gum to it also. So then we move to the next step. Okay, this is the next step. We have our insole. We have the size of the shoe we are making a size 44. So this is our insole. We have insole, like I said, like you already know how we do our thing here. We have our insole, we have the pattern for everything, for every design we are making, unless we were given a new design. So we have our insole ready, our size 44. So we wet it, we use the insole to size to make the size of the shoe we are making, to size the actual size, to bring out the shape of the actual size of the shoe we are making. So this is what we are doing here. As you can see, we wet it. So after wetting, we trim the shoe. We have to differentiate between our right leg and our left leg as well. As you can see, it's just a simple thing. We have to turn the insole, the pattern, we have to turn it to the other side, so as to get the second leg of the shoe, which is the left leg. So that's what we're doing on here. We are also wetting this as well, as you can see. You can always reach out to us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook, Twitter, on Instagram at build.footies, on all social media platforms. Also, you can always search for us on Google at Footies. You will see us there. If you want to be part of the business, or you want to learn, or you want to buy from us, you can always reach out to us there. We are located in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Yeah, so yeah, so after wetting, after adding our wet to the wetless sole, we trim out, because you can't put all this on our filing machine. That's why we have our shoemaker knife. Yeah, it's already illustrated in our last video where I showed you some functions of some tools and their uses in shoemaking business. So this is what we are doing here. We are trimming off the excess part of the wetless so that we can, it will be easy for us to file. So that's what we are doing here. So after this, we then go ahead to file the shoe, the sole rather. Yeah, so we have it here after filing, after trimming out, after cutting out the excess part of the sole. So we have it here. It's half done, and we move to the filing stage. We file. After filing, just to smoothen the rough part and to blend the sole. That's why we had to file it. So here we have our result. Then we polish, then we apply to the normal to the shoe we are making. So that's how we come across our boot. So that's how it's done. So we use it in replacement of, if you are making a big size and we really don't get the size of the sole we are making at the market, so we use it in replacement. So thank you very much. And I said something about the last video, concerning the last video, whereby I talked about gum. Here we have the OCI and the Turboy. We mix it together. Some like it OCI alone, while some like Turboy alone. But here in my workshop, we mix it together. We like mixing together for better quality. And we have the other one, which is the chemical gum. We all know what we use our chemical for. So I just need to to show you guys there to see how it really looks like. So that's that about that. And we also have the magic gum. We all know what it's used for. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much. Please do it to subscribe and like, turn on the post notification. See you guys next time. Bye.